looks like they finished the frame into our jig. Our jig isn't only there to hold our gunnel cap in shape, it's also given us something for it to lift from as we remove it from the hull. We'll be taking it outside. Stanley will be giving her another real good pressure washing after we flip it over and set her on some shop dollies. And then we'll get her in the fiberglass shop and have the guys start tearing into it. Came in this morning and after checking with Joe, a few things that I found in the first assessment of the vessel are certainly turning out to be true. Up here, all the hardwood and all the plywood is completely delammed and rotted. Here, and we have core material spread out throughout different locations where any of the through bolts go through. It's all rotted. Moving back here, the transom cap as well. Here, that's all delammed. And again, that's because all the moisture gets caught. This is a closed area.
And no different than our motor cover, we found the same issue with this as we find on a lot of boats this vintage. Voids in the layup that only accelerate the rot process.
You see this? Since day one, 40 years ago, it wasn't bonded. And that void between the plywood and the skin, every time the temperature changed, there'd get condensation in that void. And so literally, the process of it rotting started like day one out of the factory.